So you're scrolling through TikTok or Instagram and you see, the British royal family and cute Prince Louis being Prince Louis. He really is a bundle of fun, isn't he? And you hear someone say, he completely takes the Mickey out of his brother. Hold on, your brain freezes and you think, wait, he takes the Mickey Mouse? Are they talking about Disneyland? Has the royal family gone to Disneyland? OMG, what does a cartoon mouse have to do with the royal family? Well, hi there and welcome to Advanced English Decoded. Now, let me tell you, the main reason this is so incredibly confusing is because you will never find this kind of language used in a standard textbook. Now, if you are a dynamic, ambitious learner, you'll do what you always do. You'll grab your dictionary and you will look up Mickey. What's Mickey? Mickey Mouse. That's the only connection that I can come up with. But also Mickey could be a flask of alcohol, but that is English slang. And you're sitting there thinking, OMG, Mickey Mouse, a flask of alcohol. This is absolute madness. So what happens? You're confused. You are even more confused. You feel totally lost. And a part of you is saying, I want to quit. I want to quit. I can't do this anymore. These native English people are crazy. But hey, stop, calm down, take a breath, forget about the dictionary. Stop overthinking it. I'm going to help you to decode this along with 3 other effortlessly cool British phrases right now. Let's first take a look at that clip of Prince Louis. He's at a royal event looking over at his brother, Prince George. And then when George flicks back his hair, well, Louis mimics him very dramatically, right? And he makes a funny face. And the commentators, British commentators, they laugh and they say, he's totally taking the Mickey. Now, before I give you the definition, how about if I just test your intuition? I think you are going to get this right. I'll give you 2 sentences, and then I'll give you 3 options, and I'm pretty sure that you can guess the meaning. First sentence, don't get mad at him. He's just taking the Mickey. Or, my colleagues always take the Mickey out of my accent, but it's all good fun. Now, based on those 2 sentences, what do you think taking the Mickey means? A, to steal someone's property. B, to tease or make fun of someone, but it's playful, it's innocent. C, to copy someone's style. Take a moment, put your answers into the chat. Wow, did you say B? You are spot on. To take the Mickey out of someone or to just take the Mickey means to tease them, to mock them, to make fun of them, but it's light-hearted, it's innocent. So no Mickey Mouse involved, nothing to do with Disneyland, no cartoon mice involved. Now, in that same clip, did you notice that Prince Louis is making funny faces? He's waving at the crowd, he's dancing, he's completely ignoring royal protocol. And the headlines, the next day, what did the headlines say? Prince Louis steals the show, or the young royal steals the spotlight. Now, if you look up steal in a textbook, it means to illegally take property. But Prince Louis was not doing anything illegal. Let's look at 2 sentences and then I'll give you 3 options. Let's see how good your intuition is. The opening act was great, but Taylor Swift totally stole the show. She didn't mean to steal the spotlight from the bride, but her dress was amazing. It was incredible. 3 options. A, to commit a crime at an event, to steal the show. B, to arrive late and disrupt the schedule, or C, to get all the attention, to get the praise because, hey, you were just so fabulous, you were just so entertaining. I know you chose C. To steal the show, steal the spotlight, it means to capture the audience's attention, to become the main focus because you are just so fabulous. You are just so charming. You are just so funny. You are just so talented. You stole the show. Now, why does Prince Louis do all of this? Why can't he just sit still like the rest of the royals? Well, it's simple. He's a kid, he's young, and he is full of beans, full of beans. You go to a dictionary, you look up beans, you'll get a recipe. But let's look at how native speakers like myself use it. The kids were full of beans after the birthday party and they couldn't sleep. Or I'm usually full of beans after my morning cappuccino. Now, what do you think it actually means to be full of energy and enthusiasm? That is option A. B, to be healthy and eating well, to be full of beans. Or C, to be lying or talking nonsense. Would you like to put your answer in the chat below? Did you choose A? Wow, you nailed it. To be full of beans, it's a brilliant, very native, very advanced, effortless way to say someone has a massive amount of energy, excitement, spirit. It's all good. Did you notice how much you just decoded in this episode? You went from thinking about Disneyland, cartoon characters, and Mickey Mouse because Prince Louis took the Mickey out of Prince George. And then we went to stealing the spotlight and to groceries because beans, full of beans. And now you understand how native English speakers like myself talk about energy, about humor, and about attention. You don't need a textbook. You don't need a dictionary to sound effortless. Real world English does not exist in a dictionary or a textbook. It exists right here on this channel. This is the context that you need. So let's join the conversation in the comment section for some real world practice for real world English. Is there a person in your family or your friend group who is always full of beans and constantly taking the Mickey out of everyone else? Drop your answer below. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, would you like to do so? Alex Hermosi has this wonderful idea that if you focus on anything for 20 hours, you will become proficient at it. I'm going to, on this channel, provide you with 20 hours of expert content, not the imposter stuff that's out there, not bad English, not performative English. I'm going to give you real world English. I am CELTA certified. I have 15 years of international experience. I've done thousands of group classes, thousands and thousands of individual lessons. I am IELTS accredited, I am PTE accredited, business English, you name it. I have done it. And I am going to bring that expertise to this channel. All you have to do is complete the 20-hour marathon. At the end of it, I guarantee you will be a completely different English speaker. Will I see you in the next lesson? Of course I will, because you want results. You want progress. You want to go from chaos and confusion and I don't understand what native English speakers are saying to absolute confidence. And I am going to help you bridge that gap. See you in the next one. Ciao.